Guys, good morning from Jerusalem. I'm here next to Jaffa Gate, and you can see the beautiful wall from the 16th century built by Suleiman the Magnificent. But I'm taking you to the black nothing there, to the darkness beneath Jaffa Gate. Together with me is my colleague that from time to time is not a nice man.
No.
It's not. He didn't wake up yet. But
I woke up 4 hours ago. It's time to go back to sleep.
but you can see the Ottoman wall, which is 7th century. This is the first Muslims who occupied the city. Muslim conquered. Now, if you watched my video of Mamila pool from the Byzantine time, then an aqueduct took the water to the city. And just outside the walls of the city, you are going to see something that will be, whoa, a little bit amazed, a little bit strange. Another important thing is that the darkness there is used to be a cemetery outside the walls. Remember, Mamila parking lot?
The Mamila Cemetery?
Yeah, it actually was built on top of it. Go straight.
You don't want to go to the cemetery?
No, you won't see anything
you
there.
Want to take a bath finally, Zahi?
Yes, I want to take a bath. That's where I'm taking you. Oh, look how beautiful are those reminders that might be from the Byzantine time. And what you see in front of you, yeah, it's a Roman bathhouse. If you reach Jerusalem and took you a long time, you wanted to refresh, to clean your body.
Yeah, but bring your own soap and towel. They don't give them here.
Sorry?
Bring your own soap and towel. They don't hand them out here.
Yeah. And what about the water? Do you think that they have water here?
Well, bring your own water too.
Yeah. It's actually, as you can see, it's not open to the public. And it might be that they will come and maybe they saw us in the camera and we are not allowed to be here. Can you recognize it? A Roman bath and a Byzantine bath, it's the same thing. It's like a box in a box. The idea is to have gaps between the walls of the two boxes and the floor. The problem is that the small box will actually touch the floor of the big box. To avoid it, they build those columns. Nice, isn't it? Above us, it's Jaffa Gate, one of the 8 gates of Jerusalem. As I believe that oven was somewhere there. It's very interesting to him. You can see that he's very happy to be here.
Oh, yeah.
And he asked me to reach that place.
Oh, you've seen one Roman bathhouse.
Yeah, but it's beneath Jaffa Gate.
No, nobody knew it was here until a few years ago. That's what's.
Yeah, no one knew.
They built a road here and they didn't know it was here.
Yeah, and that was the Byzantine road. We used actually the Byzantine
Did you
road.
tell them Byzantine one was? Byzantine?
All right, talked about it.
We're talking about Christian.
Romans who became Christians.
Well, Romans became Christians and then moved the capital to Constantinople. We're talking from 323 here till 638.
Yeah, until the Umayyad, until the Muslims came and.
So here it's 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th century. They built a lot of stuff.
That's why the Umayyad wall was next to the main Christian road to Bethlehem.
Yeah, but
From Jerusalem to Bethlehem.
here's something I don't understand though. Omayas like to take baths too, and they built a wall on the bathhouse.
The bath wasn't used at that time.
Oh, where did they take a bath?
I don't know, but look at that drainage. Look at that drainage canal.
Water drainage.
Yeah, water drainage. And there's a pool there. Let's see if I will be brave again to climb up.
But did you tell them that there wasn't a road above us in the Byzantine times?
Was it what?
There wasn't a road above us in the Byzantine.
No, that was the road. We are actually using the road itself. I'm crazy again. I'm doing it.
How's your insurance? Do you have insurance?
I'm not sure that I have insurance for that. You can see a pool. Usually, when you enter to a Roman bath, you have to clean yourself first. Then that's a water pool. Maybe a private one here. Woo! Scary! All right. In the same place. This is the hot room. Unbelievable that it's still here, isn't it? Guys, I do have more than 21,000 videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Be part of my family. Hey, Mordechai, what about you? Are you climbing up? Silence. Mordechai, you don't want to see it from above?
Watch your movie.
All right, yes, you will watch my movie. You're already here.
Already here. Yeah, but then you'll write me, give me a cup of coffee or something like that. So
You know what? We're gonna drink coffee later on.
Better see it here. That way you won't get.
It's beautiful here.
Oh yeah. Oh, they got a whole floor here.
No, continue. No, this is the pool. This is the pool.
They need to repair it.
They didn't do a lot with it yet. That's why it's not open to the public. And what I forgot to show you, let me show it from there. I think there is an evidence for the road itself. Yeah, I have to climb, I have to go out from there. Then don't go away. Don't go away. I will take you to that area to see the road from the Roman time, from the Byzantine time. It's unbelievable, isn't it?
Yeah. Again, so that they understand, Roman times, we're talking when Pompey came here in minus 63 BC.
Yes.
Until 323, 325
No, 60,
AD.
yeah, all right.
That's what we call here the Roman period.
Yeah.
Then from then until 638, it becomes the Byzantine period.
True.
638 till about 830, it becomes the Umayyad
Umayyad,
period.
and you can see
Then
the walls of that.
Abbasid, and then from 1099, it becomes the Crusaders. Just so that
Crusaders. Yeah. You're totally right. But let me take you to the evidence of the road from that period of time. And I have to do that again. Please don't die today, Zahi. All right.
Jump.
Please not.
Go.
No. Let me see if the road still exists.
Just a second, that graveyard is from the Mameluke times.
No, it started from the Jewish time, and then the Roman time, the Byzantine, and then the Muslims.
But is that part of the
No. It's
not part of the Mameluke graveyard?
No. The Mamluk graveyard.
By the way, the Mamluks came after the Crusaders.
Yeah. It was important for me to show the Mamila graveyard
Okay.
because of the pool, because there's a connection between the pool and here.
But that graveyard's Mameluke.
Yeah. Wait a minute. Woo! I think there is a remains of the Byzantine road. If I remember it correctly. All right, somewhere here. Shops next to the road. I think the main road was here. Let's go. I never reached the end.
So are these columns from the Mamluk or the Byzantine?
Byzantine, Roman time.
Oh, these columns.
The columns, the columns. I don't know actually when we built it.
Late Israeli time.
Yeah, it's
Early Israeli.
after 1967 for sure. But I think it was built in the 70s or something like that. Ooh, spooky. I never reached that point.
You know why? Because nobody's ever come back.
Yes. The last man who did it,
We don't know.
we don't know actually, yeah. But you can see more houses. It was the main road to Bethlehem. Ooh.
It doesn't sound good. But
Yeah, no, there's nothing special. It looks like an oven here.
this was a building.
Yeah, those are buildings on the main road. Then it looks like that the main road went all the way around them.
This is actually an expensive building. I see the way that
Yeah,
stones are.
yes. It's usually, if you ask me, it belongs to the government,
Maybe
institutes.
the guy that owned the bathhouse.
Yeah, he was rich. For many years, we didn't understand why there's a bathroom outside the city and not inside the city. But now we know that it's on the main road. The people who came from, that's the way. But I remember that I saw some pavement from that time. Guys, it was a pleasure to be with you. It was 10 minutes. It's January. If you will write the exact moment of the end of the video, and you will write me your full name, and I will copy those names, I will print it, and I will bless it. I bless you in the city. Then thank you very much for being with me. This is a new tradition of mine. Bye-bye.